our big focus tonight with an eye on 2014. Narendra Modi sound the election bugle this Sunday, launching a scathing attack on the Congress. The Gujarat Chief Minister accused it of sacrificing the nation's interests for the Gandhi family. Mr. Modi, who grabbed the limelight at the BJP conclave amidst a growing clamour amidst the party cadres to make him the party's prime ministerial candidate, tore into the Congress, saying its commission-seeking government at the centre is destroying the nation like the termite. But of course, the road ahead for Narendra Modi isn't clear yet. The JDU reacted cautiously yet again, saying Nitish is better than Modi on all fronts.
बार खड़े होकर तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से नरेंद्र भाई का स्वागत किया जाना चाहिए।
काश मनमोहन सिंह जी की जगह पर अगर प्रणब मुखर्जी को प्रधानमंत्री शायद बनाए होते तो शायद इतनी बर्बादी नहीं हुई होती। अगर प्रणब दा सफल हो जाए तो परिवार का क्या हो, इस चिंता में देश को किसी के भी हाथों में डाल देना और नाइट वॉच को उनकी परंपरा चलाना, ये उन्होंने चालू किया।
The Sangh and the BJP cadres are convinced that Modi is the man for 2014. Political logic says that the BJP has no better option. Still, for some months now, the BJP and Narendra Modi have been behaving like a courting couple on the social site Facebook. First came the individual posts by leaders that Modi is the right choice. Then, the Sangh declared Narendra Modi as its favourite friend. Today, Narendra Modi and the BJP have declared a new status in a relationship. The BJP says that this nudge-nudge, wink-wink, slow acceptance is actually part of a strategy. But sources say that the BJP is afraid of exposing Narendra Modi. For long, the BJP has attacked Rahul Gandhi for not being exposed in weaker areas. The BJP fears that if Narendra Modi is declared the prime ministerial candidate and the BJP fails to win the right numbers, then Narendra Modi may earn the tag of leader or prime minister in waiting, as did L.K. Advani in 2009.
That is why the BJP is doing it slowly, though not so subtly. Soon, Rajnath Singh may induct Narendra Modi into the BJP's parliamentary board, a special status in the top party body. Then, he may be in charge of the campaign, targeting the Congress's first family, hints of which were visible today.
बीच का एक कालखंड आया था जब कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष के नाते सीताराम केसरी को पसंद किया गया था और मौके की तलाश में थे। कोई मजबूत व्यक्ति, कोई योग्य व्यक्ति कांग्रेस पार्टी का अध्यक्ष न बन जाए, वरना इस परिवार का आगे क्या होगा।
There are more fears behind the caution on Narendra Modi. He may divide the NDA, and right now the BJP is far from being assured of a win without allies. Worse, a declaration about Narendra Modi may trigger infighting.
मित्रों, हमें लगता है कि हम एक को निपटा रहे हैं, पार्टी तो जीती जाएगी, लेकिन होता यह है कि एक को एक निपटाता है, दूसरे को दूसरा और तीसरे को तीसरा, और साथ-साथ पार्टी निबट जाती है।
The BJP's other worry is its failure to turn the corruption issue into a game changer. Karnataka and the Nitin Gadkari episode have been serious setbacks.
भ्रष्टाचार के साथ कोई समझौता नहीं करेंगे, जैसे हम सरकार को कहते हैं कि टेररिज्म के साथ समझौता मत करो।
The BJP knows the Congress is slipping, but that's not translating into support for it. It's a crisis, and many in the party feel by delaying a declaration on Narendra Modi, the BJP is going against the adage, never waste a crisis. With Rahul Srivastav, Amitabh Revi, NDTV.
So we saw a very sharp attack there on the Prime Minister by Narendra Modi, accusing him of being a night watchman. The Congress hit back strongly.
मोदी ने हमें दीमक बुलाया है, तो मैं तो कहता हूं कि वो एक सांप है, वो एक बिछुआ है, और ऐसे गंदे आदमी की तरफ से आलोचना हुई तो वो अपने आप में प्रशंसा बनती है। ये एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो हमारे धर्मनिरपेक्षता में कोई विश्वास नहीं रखता, तो हम इसके बारे में इनके तरफ से हम प्रशंसा की अपेक्षा करें।